Alright, what's up YouTube? New video. I'm finna do something completely different with my channel. So now my channel finna be based around graphic design, redesigning logos, making logos for clients and things like that. So my channel will be based around that. I'm gonna do a little bit of vlogging, but not too much. So my first video is gonna be about is the Tesla logo. Like, since they just revealed that Tesla just came out with their new truck, CyberTruck, I just felt like it's just totally different from what they had before for the Model S, Model 3, Model X, and the Model Y that's coming out soon as well. So I just felt like the logo could use like a refresher a little bit. I'm gonna keep it similar to the logo that they have now, but just give it like a little oomph to it. But yeah, so I'm gonna head out real quick, run some errands, get back home, and pick up some stuff from the Office Max. Yeah, I gotta run to Office Max, pick some things up, go to the post office, drop off some packages for people that order some hoodies. Juichi.co if you want one. Also, yeah, just be on the lookout for this stuff. And yeah, let's get to it. Let's run these errands. Let's go. So I decided to come to Walmart because I didn't feel like driving to Office Max or Office Depot, whatever which one it is. So I decided to come to this place, Walmart. Just got back from Walmart, picked up all my supplies that I need. Basically, I just bought a marker and some lead pencils so I can start sketching my field notes. I got these field notes from Amazon for like $9 for a 5-pack. All I'm doing is just sketching in like notes and my logos, just sketching a whole bunch of them until I just come out with enough ideas and concepts for the logo that I'm gonna do for the Tesla design. So anyway, let's jump to the next scene and get cracking on these logos. All right, so I just got done sketching up the Tesla concept logos. So now all I gotta do is send everything into Illustrator and begin vectorizing it and just clean everything up. So now let's get into it. Let's go. Alright, so I'm finished working in Illustrator, so now all I gotta do is send everything over to Photoshop, which I'm gonna put the logos on mock-ups to give you like a real world view of it, see like how it really look in the real world, like on billboards and certain advertising platforms and places like that it will be at. So yeah, let's jump in Photoshop and begin putting these mock-ups together. Let's go. Alright, so I hope you all enjoyed the video because I know I did. It took me like a couple of days to get this video done because I got kind of busy with life, so I got it done finally. So I hope you all enjoy it, because I know I enjoyed the process and working on it. It was a lot of trial and error, but if you don't have any error in your work, then I don't know what to tell you. You should always have some error that you can learn from and build on. But anyway, yeah, so I will have like a poll up where you can select whether you like concept 1, 2, or 3, just to be a little bit more interactive and see what you guys think on the logos and things like that. So again, I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.